Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1. Today I'm taking you on a 4K 360-degree walking tour of Main Street, USA and the Castle Hub. We hope you enjoy the video. And if you're watching this on a TV, I would recommend that you switch to a smartphone, tablet, or laptop computer type device because it will allow you to move around the 360 view. A TV will just show it kind of as a fisheye effect, so switch over to a again, smartphone, tablet, or laptop, or any kind of a desktop computer, and you'll be able to see the 360-degree view much more easily. And if you're on that tablet or smartphone, swipe around the screen or point the phone a different direction, and you'll be able to see in different directions. And you can see it's a beautiful day here at the Magic Kingdom. So if you're looking at the ground or the ceiling, swipe around and see what you can see. And of course we're at the train station right now looking at this beautiful view here. I'll pause for just a second so you can just scroll around and just enjoy this beautiful day at the Magic Kingdom. All right, now we're down on the street level. So let's walk around a little bit. It is crowded, but I think you'll still enjoy this stroll around Main Street because every day at Disney is a good day, right? Of course, you may have heard the news or rumor that the Main Street Theater has supposedly been canceled, which is going to go back in this area, I believe, or was going to go. And we'll head over here by City Hall and the Firehouse as well before we head all the way down Main Street. All right, now let's head down Main Street. And again, it's been pretty crowded today, and Main Street's generally always crowded during the day, but I've never done a 360 walk down Main Street, so hopefully you enjoy. Of course, one of the staples of Main Street strolls is that you have to dodge all the photography going on, but that's to be expected. It's such a beautiful place. before we go down by the castle, one of the underappreciated areas of Main Street is this little side street here. If you don't know this area, it's a great place to get out of the way and just get out of the crowds for a little while. There usually aren't even this many people back here. And there's a lot of great sound effects back here. I don't hear too many of them, but piano lessons, dentist office, you name it. So if you sit back there long enough, you'll hear all kinds of great stuff. There's the Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom game going on too. And I just passed by Beatbox Balloon Guy, if you were watching our stream from February the 9th. I love that the House of Magic sign is still up over there. That's really cool. On the awning, that is. Got a lot of big group pictures here, a lot of tour groups and cheerleading groups, I believe, here this weekend. Go ahead and walk by Walt and Mickey at the partner statue. And this part is not too crowded up here. A lot of people taking pictures, but there's room to walk around, which is nice. Then we'll walk over by the fountain areas over here. There's one on each side of the hub. These extra walkways that were added a few years ago. We'll walk around to the other side and then we'll finish it up.
Best superhero pose. You want to do Stroll or you want to do... Mira para allá, mira para allá. ¿Quieres las gafas?
And we'll head back around towards the castle. And really hope you've enjoyed this 360 stroll around Main Street and the hub. So be sure that you're subscribed and click the bell so that you're notified every time we have a new video or every time that we go live. Also, make sure you check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice, and also WindowRepairParts.us. And use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase. So again, hope you've enjoyed this relaxing stroll, and we'll do more of these in the future. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.